Morning, this is Jimmy Tager with National Weather Service Raleigh for your routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. Today is Monday, November 13th, and we'll cover through November 19th. Looking at the overall pattern, we have high pressure across the area, and we've had high pressure across the area quite a bit recently, pushing away a lot of the rain and bringing us some low relative humidity. So that surface high pressure is going to be lingering and building in to our north through a lot of the week. By the time we get to around Thursday, we're going to have a disturbance moving by to the south that could start to increase chances of rain from south to north, mainly late Thursday. And then as we get into Friday, we do have a cold front and an upper trough that's going to be approaching the region and moving through. Once we get to the weekend, though, it does start to look a little dry. So we have more high pressure moving in for the weekend, and that should keep most of the area dry. With those chance of rain on Thursday and Friday for now, we're not expecting any severe thunderstorms. So the severe thunderstorm threat for the next 7 days is none. Additionally, we're not expecting very heavy rain. So there is no flash flood threat at this time. And this is a look through today through Wednesday, which we're not expecting any rain anyway. But even beyond that, it's not looking like anything heavy at this time. So how much are we going to get? How much could we get? Well, again, for the next couple of days, dry, but as we get into Thursday and Friday, those chances increase. Best chance, as you can see here on Friday, and that's going to be currently around a quarter to a half inch for areas across the west, and near the coastal plain could see a little bit more than a half inch. As it gets closer, we'll have a better idea of what's going to occur, but right now it looks like we should have less than an inch with highest amounts towards the coastal plain. And then conditions should dry out as we get into the weekend. What's going on in the tropics? You know, it's been cool, but it's still hurricane season. They're mostly quiet, but there is one area that we're keeping an eye on, and it currently has a 60% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone in the next 7 days. So for the next 2 days, you can see there that they're not expecting any chance the next 2 days, but as we get towards the end of the week, then there is a higher chance that it could develop into something. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. Otherwise, the rest of the tropics are quiet. All right, here's our 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. This was updated just yesterday, the 12th. I was gonna say, what day is today? Yes, today's the 13th. Yesterday, the 12th. And this covers November 20th to the 26th. So we're getting towards the end of the month. As you can see on the left, the temperature outlook, we are towards those oranges and a little red, and that's going to be a better chance for above normal temperatures. And what is normal? Well, for November 23rd, that would be upper 50s near the Triad to low 60s elsewhere, with low temperatures getting into more of the upper 30s this time of year. And is it going to rain? Is it going to be dry? Well, the 8 to 14 day outlook is showing a better chance of above normal precipitation chances for that time period. So again, this is getting close to Thanksgiving, the 20th to the 26th. It could be warmer, but also could be more wet than normal. In summary, we're going to have high pressure across the area through most of the week with increasing rain chances Thursday into Friday. And then that's going to also dry out by this weekend with high pressure building in again. The forecast at the bottom is for the Raleigh area. So you can see highs mostly in the 60s, touching into the low 70s on Friday, but then lowering again as high pressure moves in. And we're not currently expecting any hazardous weather for the next 7 days.